travel down a road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. I'm not ashamed to say, I hope it always will stay this way. My hat is off, won't you stand up and take a bow? And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, well, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend. 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 If it's a car you lack, I'd surely buy you a Cadillac. Whatever you need, any time of the day or night. I'm not ashamed to say, I hope it always will stay this way. My hat is off, won't you stand up and take a bow? And when we both get older, with walking canes and hair of gray, have no fear, even though it's hard to hear, I will stand here close and say thank you for being a friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. I wanna thank you. Let me tell you about a friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. And when we die and float away into the night, the Milky Way, you'll hear me call as we ascend. I'll say your name, then once again, thank you for being a
Uns, Ilya de Montagne. Oui, Ilya de Montagne. Ilya du fromage? Oui, Ilya du fromage.
friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. People, let me tell you about a friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. I wanna thank you. Thank you for being a friend. Oh, I'll tell you about a friend right now. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being a friend.
Good afternoon, Westfield, and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. We've come back together after our Easter break, and it's been a really brilliant week. We've had so much learning going on in classrooms, lots of positivity, attendance above 96% every day, really well done, and spring is certainly in the air. A big thank you to Miss McGiven, who has set up our amazing dojo shop. Yesterday our younger children visited, and today I know that our older children have visited and redeemed their points. Really great job. Our Forest School classroom is now up and running. That is absolutely fantastic, and our new early years garden has delivered over the Easter holidays. We have AstroTurf for our younger children outside now, and wonderful veggie troughs for our children to grow their own vegetables. Really fantastic. Let's start with our promise in the usual way. After 3, 1, 2, 3. We promise, we before me, encouraging to everyone, safe and respectful to all, the best that we can be, full of courage, inspired and inspiring to others, excellent in all we do, learning together, determined to succeed. Now let's find out who has been determined to succeed in our early years classrooms, our ducklings, our puffins and our wrens. Over to you.
Hello there, ducklings. Well, what a fantastic first week we've had together. But one person has stood out for me in particular, and they're making new friends, they're starting to try new activities, and they're having a really good time settling into their new life at Westfield Nursery. And my pupil of the week is Kieran. Well done, Kieran, for trying new things and having a go. We're all very proud of you. Well done.
So we have chosen Daria this week. When she first started with us, she had very limited English, but watching her achieve so well with her maths this week has really shown us how far she has come. She is using her STEM sentences in maths, so she's using those full sentences. She's using our maths vocabulary to talk through her understanding, and it was so great to see her sequence a set of numbers and find the missing one, and yeah, she has done fantastic. So absolutely well done, Daria.
We have chosen Kylan to be our pupil of the week. Kylan, you have shown that you have got the biggest heart ever. It has been recognised in the classroom and in after school club as well. It is honestly truly lovely that you are willing to help out no matter what it is, and that you are willing to do so without even being asked. So that is really, really lovely to see. I've also been really impressed that you've wanted to do some writing this week, which is lovely. During lockdown, I know you weren't keen on writing, but coming back into school and wanting to write with me in doing our writing tasks has made me absolutely beam. Literally, my smiles are from one ear to the other. So well done, Kylan. You are pupil of the week.
Fantastic. And in year 1, let's find out about our wagtail class and magpies.
Wagtail's pupil of the week this week is Landon. You've only been in Wagtail class for about 6 days now, but you are an absolute star. You're picking up all of the class rules, you're doing all of the brilliant cooperative learning strategies, you're really helpful around the class, and you're being a super friend to the children as well. So it's absolutely fantastic to have you in Wagtail class, and I can't wait to get to know a little bit more about you. Well done, Landon.
Well, the first pupil of the week for the summer term is definitely Olivia Rudge. Olivia, I'm so proud of everything you've achieved so far and everything you've shown since we've come back from lockdown, before half term and now. You resonate the actual school promise. We before me, inspiring to others, determined to succeed, and the very best that you can be. Your active listening, your transitioning is absolutely excellent. You set such an example to others, especially when we're working from the carpet. But not only that, Olivia has a very social side. She is kind, warm-hearted, and doesn't like to see anyone left out. She will find someone to play with. She's got lots and lots of friends due to her happy and kind nature. But not only that, she has an absolutely wicked sense of humour and a very infectious laugh, which keeps us all smiling. So Olivia, well done. You should be very proud of yourself.
And in year 2, which Heron and which Robin?
Thanks, Mrs. Kittle. Heron Pupil of the Week has been working very hard to incorporate using his phonetical sounds to spell out words. Oh, there's a little clue. Heron Pupil of the Week has been very kind to other children and is really thinking about the sorts of games that they play outside and making sure that everybody is having a good fun time. Heron Pupil of the Week is Noah. Really well done, Noah.
Pupil of the Week in Robin class this week goes to somebody that missed class but actually requested that I give Pupil of the Week to, and that goes to Kobe. And Kobe, Miss Craspert asked me to give you Pupil of the Week because she was telling me about your resilience during forest school, and it was just absolutely fantastic to hear. You were so determined and you just kept on going, so well done, Kobe.
And in Year 3 this week, Skylarks and Sparrows.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Gooch here, and my Pupil of the Week this week in Skylark class is Noah, and I've chosen Noah for a couple of reasons, mainly because he found coming back to school a little bit tricky, but he's really changed his attitude this week and really trying, and he's engaging, and he's really thinking about those questions that he can ask to really extend his learning and get the best and the most out of our lessons that he can. So well done, Noah. It's fantastic to see you being so positive. Keep it up. I'm super proud of you.
My Pupil of the Week this week for Sparrow class is Ivy. Ivy has got Pupil of the Week because she has been exceptionally well behaved all week. She is engaged with every single lesson, and I've had compliments about her from other members of staff who have looked after my class, which is just fantastic to hear and one of my absolute favourite things. So well done, Ivy. Really, really proud of you, and a huge congratulations.
And in Year 4, let's find out about Mr. Claridge and Miss Ford and who they have identified.
Hello, thank you very much. Good afternoon. My Pupil of the Week for Raven class this week is Faizan. Now, we all know that Faizan is an amazing mathematician, but he's been working super hard on his explanations, being able to explain the amazing, quick, super math things that's going on in his head. It's a really tricky skill sometimes for some people, and he's been trying really hard to improve that. I'm also really impressed with his consistency, his great learning attitude, always trying to do his best. His presentation is absolutely tip-top. We're trying to work hard on that as a class as well, and Faizan is a real role model for presentation. Fantastic stuff. Keep it up, Faizan. Really, really impressed. Well done.
Hey Mockingbirds, well, we've had an absolutely fantastic first week back. Everyone has been absolutely amazing. The person I've chosen comes into school every day with a positive attitude. They quietly get on with their learning, they're willing to help others in class, and they're such a good friend to everyone. And that is Lacey. Well done, Lacey.
And in Year 5, in Kestrel class and Kingfisher class.
Hi there, this week Kestrel's Person of the Week is Kirill. He has worked his absolute socks off in our French topic this week, and it's been really lovely seeing him so determined to succeed with a topic that perhaps he's not so confident with, but having the courage to stand up and give it a go, speak in a language that he's not familiar with, and even let me record a video of him doing it as well. So I was just really impressed with his courage when it comes to his learning this week. Well done, Kirill. Bye.
Hello, my Pupil of the Week in Kingfisher class this week is Millie. Now, Millie has been working extremely hard every day this week. She's been turning up at school with a massive smile on her face and really, really pushing herself to work as hard as she possibly can. Millie, you have produced some brilliant work, especially in your writing. I've been so impressed with you all week. Keep it up next week.
And which eagle and which starling in Year 6 have been absolutely fantastic and demonstrated to their teachers that they are being the best version of themselves.
Good afternoon, my Pupil of the Week this week is Matthew Scholes. You have started this year and you have continued over this past week to really, really be more resilient with your writing. You're getting on immediately and you're producing some really, really quality work. You've told me so many times this week that you've enjoyed your learning and it's just such an amazing thing to hear. Well done, Matthew. You are a superstar. Let's see how much more you can achieve by the end of the year.
From Starling class, our Pupil of the Week this week is Ashley. Congratulations, Ashley. Ashley, you are someone that is just always very quietly in the room getting on with the tasks that you've been set. You are determined to be the best learner that you can, and you really listen carefully to the things that we say to you to try to help you to improve what you're learning about in class every day. But not only that, Ashley, you're also a very respectful person and very considerate of other people in the classroom, and we really appreciate that too. Congratulations, Ashley.
Really well done to all of our Pupils of the Week. It's wonderful to see everybody back together and of course our staff team back together. Now, who have we identified as our staff member of the week? This is always a challenge, because we have an amazing staff team who work really hard and are super positive. But this is somebody who again pulls things together in the background, is incredibly positive, somebody who has a great sense of humour as well, and really wonderful to work with, and that is Miss George in our office. It is your turn to be Staff Member of the Week. Thank you for all you do, and a big thank you for helping us improve the number of children who want to come to our school. It is going through the roof. We have so many new children joining us, and you're doing a fabulous job at engaging and welcoming our families. So great job. Okay, Westfield, we hope you have a wonderful weekend to get outside and enjoy the great outdoors, and we look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Take care, have a great weekend. Bye-bye.